Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down the machine and unplug it because safety prevents data loss and sparks. Once unplugged, ground yourself with a wrist strap or by touching the case. This protects the SSD and motherboard. Remove the case panel and identify the correct slot 2. 5 bay for SATA or an M. 2 slot on the motherboard. Make sure you have the mounting screw and cables ready. Starting with the physical layout saves time and avoids mistakes later. Now install the drive. For a 2. 5 SSD, slide it into the bracket and fasten the screws so it won't vibrate. For M2, insert the module at about 30 degrees, push it down, and secure with the standoff screw. This ensures proper contact and thermal stability. Once mounted, attach the SATA data cable and power cable if applicable, or confirm the M2 slot has the correct keying. After reassembly, boot into BIOS to verify the system detects the new SSD. Finish by preparing the SSD for use. If this is a new data drive, initialize it as GPT and format with NTFS, Windows, or apps Mac, because modern OSs prefer GPT for booting. If you're migrating the OS, run cloning software and then change boot order so the SSD is first. That avoids boot conflicts. If the drive doesn't appear, receipt cables, try a different port, and update the SSD firmware. Those steps solve most detection and performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.